Hey everybody, this is Adam and Mr. Rat. Hi-cha-cha. We're here today because we're going to talk a little bit about disappointment. Yeah, I feel that all the time. I know you do. Mr. Rat has been really hungry and, for a really good choice today, didn't try to steal any food from my office. It was so hard. It's so hard trying not to steal things. I know, Mr. Rat, it really is. But anyway, I just wanted to try to help you and try to figure out what we can do so you're not so disappointed. But I'm just so disappointed and frustrated. I know, it really feels like that. But I don't know how to help you exactly, but I do know you can't always get what you want. What? I said you can't always get what you want. What? But you try sometimes, and you might find I got what you need. What? What are you talking about? You're not making any sense to me. Actually, asked. Oh, what? How did you know? You told me what you needed, and I'm a good listener. So sometimes we're disappointed because we don't use our words. When you use your words, you get what you want more than if you don't use your words. Oh, okay. I'm very excited. Bye. I'm gonna go eat. Well, that was not too bad. When you're disappointed, a lot of times it comes because you do not ask with your words. When you use your words and you use it with a nice tone, you get what you want more than if you don't. So, anyway, that is one way to handle disappointment. Because sometimes you get what you need that way. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being here. I know that Mr. Rat's going to enjoy his treat. I'm going to get one too. Have a great day.